Verifying your bank account with Southern First Bankshares is an important step to ensure the security and accuracy of your banking information. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Access your online banking account. Log into your Southern First Bankshares online banking account using your username and password. If you do not have an account, you will need to create one first. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings or profile section in the main menu. This is where you will find options related to your account verification. Step 3. Select verification options. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Provide required information. You will be prompted to enter specific information to verify your account. This may include your social security number, account number, or other personal identification details. Fill in the required fields accurately. Step 5. Confirm and submit. After entering the necessary information, review your entries for accuracy. Once confirmed, click the Submit button to complete the verification process. You should receive a confirmation message once your account is successfully verified. Completing these steps will help ensure that your bank account is verified and secure. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Southern First Bankshares customer support for assistance.